How to message under 16 on TikTok. This is what we are going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open TikTok on your mobile. Then go to the profile option down below. So there are two options of doing this. First, you can change your mobile account to log in through mobile. As you change your mobile account to log in through mobile, then TikTok is not going to ask about your age. The other way is that you can change the age of your account, and you can do this by following the steps. First of all, go on these three lines that are located up above on the corner. Click on them, then go to settings and privacy. As you go to the settings and privacy bar, then scroll down and go to support, and under the support option go to report a problem. As you go to support and report a problem, then TikTok will automatically take you to the support page. Then scroll down and open accounts and profile. As you open account and profile, then go down to editing profile. As you go down to editing profile, then go down to the other option. As you click on the other option, you can now put your feedback here and tell Instagram that your age is not put here rightly. So you can change your age from here, and then you can send someone messages that are under 16 or even below. This is how you can message under 16 on TikTok. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, please put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks.